Seniors living in the city of St. Louis can soon apply for property tax relief.
But there is a bit of a catch. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, is here to explain.
Kelly and Ann, counties all over Missouri have been greenlighting this property tax freeze for seniors after the State House and Senate passed a law to authorize it. Some counties set up age limits and property value caps on who can qualify. But in St. Louis, it's when you can qualify that will keep most seniors waiting on that relief. The Board of Aldermen approved a plan to freeze property taxes in place for qualifying seniors in city limits.
If you're a senior on fixed income, you know that every dollar counts when you're trying to pay your grocery bill and buy your medications every month.
A fiscal note in the board bill estimates most seniors would save $50 to $75 a year.
When you're in that fixed income, you don't have any additional money coming in, but the cost of everything around you, from gas to eggs to clothing, is rising. Any type of savings can really go a long way.
Roughly 6,600 seniors 62 and older own a home in city limits. 97% of them own a home worth less than $500,000. For those seniors who apply with the assessor's office, they can freeze their property taxes in place. So what if every qualifying senior applies every year? What impact might that have on city finances?
The budget process is always very fluid, but the most conservative estimates has it could cost anywhere from $400,000 to $600,000 a year. I think that's a doable factor in the budget year over year, particularly if we're talking about trying to save senior citizens some money.
Alderwoman Ann Schweitzer sponsored the bill.
$500,000 is an amount that is important to the city's budget, and I don't take that lightly. But what we need to think about here is that this is a bill to help seniors in our community. It's a way for the city to provide a tax credit to seniors who may need it to stay in their homes.
But here's why you might have to wait to see that relief in your budget. The city assessor reevaluates home values in odd-numbered years. So the next time your property taxes are likely to go up wouldn't be until 2025. Between now and then, the assessor will create a form and a process to qualify.
So it is an application every year. The due date will be in the end of June, and it's an application with the assessor's office. So you have to fill out a form that specifies that you do meet the eligibility requirements.
If for some reason you plan to make major home upgrades that would drastically alter the cost or value of your home, you might want to apply sooner, maybe before 2024, to lock that tax freeze in place. Otherwise, the next time the freeze would actually impact your home would likely be 2025. By the way, that's the same year the city holds another election for mayor.